For me, I saw a great opportunity to be an independent that felt more like a dealership when you walked in the door. I thought that's the way auto repair should be. I've always thought that the image of auto repair needed to be improved. So we just decided to open our own shop.
He just realized at that point that he just liked helping customers, liked taking care of cars. A lot of our friends really encouraged him to open up his own business. And we just slowly grew and got bigger and bigger, started hiring employees. So that was kind of the path.
I love working with customers. I think that's ultimately where I started from. That kind of goes way back. And we help people all the time. We do that. We do it.
I feel like we go above and beyond for our customers. And I think probably a lot of shops say that, but I really feel like we want them to be 100% satisfied. So we also really partner with them and educate them about their car. We don't tell them what needs to get done. Our technicians look at the vehicle, see what it might need, what they recommend. We can help prioritize it with the customer. We put them in the driver's seat for taking care of it. We really want to partner with them.
What we try to do here is we really want everybody to be our friend. Our goal is when you come in the door, hey, how's it going? What's going on? How can we help you? Be open about the process, make sure they understand, deliver the information, and then let them make a decision.
Auto repair can be scary. It's a different language. Not many people speak this language. So you're coming into somebody else's environment where they're speaking a language you don't speak, and it can be intimidating. So this place feels like home, and that's what we want it to feel like. We want people to feel comfortable and at home. So that's what they see. They see a clean, welcoming place with smiling faces that are here to help them.
Dan and Brad have been in business for, I don't even know how long, over 20 years. They are ASE certified, they are AAA, they are down home, real people, and they're not gonna tell you that your whatchamacallit is messed up. They're gonna tell you what it is, and they're reasonable. They're reasonably priced. They are good about letting you know what's happening, and they're good about getting it done.
We're going to be fair with them and be honest. We're going to give them options. We're going to explain to them, here's what your car needs, and ask them what they'd like to do.
We try to educate the customer on why we're doing that service, not just you need all these things, pay us the money. So they know why. I mean, it's little things like that to keep people trusting us.
You can come and sit down, have your car worked on, have a cup of coffee, be friendly with everyone. Everyone knows each other by first name.
We're really central to bike paths and walking trails, so that's really easy. We have a shuttle service, so we can give customers, a ride back when they come in. We do a 24-hour drop-off, so customers can drop their keys in after hours. We have a lot of customers that utilize that. We have loaner bikes, so customers can take one of our bikes and go back to work or back to school or wherever they need to go with that.
What our business is about is transparency. We tell them our job is to be thorough looking your car over, and then we're going to show you what's wrong with it. We're not just going to call you on the phone and tell you. We're going to send you an email. We're going to send you a text. You're going to have pictures. We can talk about everything. We're going to prioritize it for you. If you want to do it all, great. If you can only do a certain amount, we'll talk about what's really important right now. Here's what's going to make your car run. That's how we do it. It's just open. Our job is education. We're going to educate you about what's going on with your car. Your job is to make the decisions. Trust is what we are about. There's nothing shady going on here. Never has been, never will be.
We really care about you and your vehicle. We care about fixing it right and about making sure that what we do is the best for you and your car.
It really is a place that cares about the customers, the employees, and it's just rare, the level of care that the owners have for both sides.
Hi, I'm Brad Pellman, owner of Pellman's Automotive in Boulder, Colorado. Come on down and meet our team. We're here for you.
Hi, I'm Lisa Pellman, owner of Pellman's Automotive. Come on down and join our family.